Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the windscreen washer pump on Mercedes ML164. The windscreen washer pump and the windscreen washer tank are located here on this side behind the front bumper and behind the wheel arch liner. So in order to get access to the windscreen washer pump, we need to remove the wheel arch liner. The wheel arch liner is held by a couple of bolts and plastic clips. We're going to remove them and just remove the half of the wheel arch liner. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the wheel arch liner is removed, we have access to the windscreen washer pump. There is two pumps, one for the front, one for the rear, and we're going to show you how to remove them now. To remove the windscreen washer pump, we need to pull out the pump from the tank. Maybe if it doesn't want to come out, maybe pry it out a little bit. There's also an electrical connector that we need to remove on top, and also we need to remove this fluid line. It's held by a plastic clip that we need to remove and then pull out the line. So that's how you pull out the windscreen washer pump. It's held into the tank with a rubber seal. We just pull it out and that's it. Make sure you get something to catch all the water from the tank when you remove the two washer pumps. Now to remove this washer line, we're going to remove this metal plastic clip that's holding the washer line in place and then pull out the washer line. That's it, and on top you need to remove the electrical connector as well. It's exactly the same for the other washer pump. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.